Let's talk NFTs on Somnia network. As a gaming platform, NFTs is very integral to the ecosystem of Somnia. Like, NFT is very important if you want to participate on Somnia Testnet and also wants to be part of the Somnia ecosystem. And this platform, NFTs, to me is the official platform for creating NFTs on the Somnia network. If you check the Somnia Quest page, you notice that there's a new campaign here that requires you to create an NFT. This particular task is a weekly task that they usually release that needs you to launch an NFT network. So in this video, if you are done watching this video, you're going to learn how to launch your own NFT on the Somnia network using the NFTs to Me platform. The task is very simple. The mission is very simple. Like you can see following the missions here, you need to create a unique NFT artwork based on your own interpretation of Somnia. You can deploy your NFT on Shannon using the NFTs to Me platform, which is what I'm going to be showing you. Then some other criteria, it requires you to limit your NFT to 1 mint per wallet. I'm going to show you how to do that as we progress on this video, and then you can post your NFT on Twitter and use the hashtag SomniacAct to post it. So once you're done, you can claim your 20 quest points, and so far just 36,000 people has been able to complete this quest as at the time of me recording this video. So in this video, by the time you are done watching this video, you will know how to launch your own NFT and also claim this reward. So the only thing I need you to do is to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon so that you always get notified whenever I share new videos. So in order for you to get started on this, just log into your Somnia Quest, connect your wallet, and once you come to this page for the quest, there, just click on NFTs to Me. This place you see this NFTs to Me, so that it can take you directly to the page where you can launch the NFT. So once you're here, the first thing you need to do, of course, is to connect your wallet. Make sure you connect your wallet from the top right corner. Whatever wallet it is you are using, connect. So now that my wallet is connected, make sure that it is under Somnia network. If this is your first time, you just need to click on the network you see here, switch to Testnet and locate Somnia Testnet. So once you are on Somnia Testnet, then this is where you start the work. What do you want to call your NFT? Whatever name you want to give your NFT, you give it the name here. So I will name my NFT collection Somnia Sign, because I have an idea of what I want to launch. So the symbol, you can choose whatever symbol, give it any kind of name. I'm going to call it Signs. All right, this is for my own NFT project. So the project description, this is where you need to describe your project. Whatever you feel is the description, just give it a description. As for me, I have something in mind already. So this is my description, because what I am launching, the NFT I want to launch, is going to be based on a meme that I have actually shared on Twitter before. So this is what I'm going to be using. So now, after putting the name and the size of your NFT, you put in the description. The next thing you need to do is to add a picture that will represent your meme coin. So I'm going to add on Add Token Media. And then I will select the image. This is the image I want to use for my NFT. You can use whatever image. You can use AI to generate any image at all that you want to use. So I click on it and I click on Open File, and then it will automatically load. This is my NFT. All right. So you get the idea, right? When Somnia launches, I won't tell anyone that, but there will be signs. My shoe has Somnia logo. The car behind is painted in Somnia color and also has Somnia logo. All right, so you need to advance. Now, after adding your image, do not deploy yet, because they see some settings we need to apply. Come to the advanced options. Okay, you need to come to the advanced options, and then this place you see max per wallet, you need to put it to 1. This is because from the rules of the quest, it says that the wallet, the NFT you mint must be limit your mints to 1 NFT per wallet. So if you do not put your max per wallet into 1, your NFT will not qualify to claim the reward from Somnia. All right, so this is the only thing you need to do. Put it on 1, and then What other thing? There's nothing else to do here. And then make sure that your wallet is free. Do not change this, leave it at free so that people can actually mint the NFT for free. And then initial phase should be on public, meaning that once you launch this NFT, anybody that wants to mint the NFT can mint the NFT. So anybody that wants to get a copy of the NFT can get one. And then max per wallet should always remain as 1. Okay, so this is everything. Upload your image, put your name, put the symbol of your NFT, give it a description, come to advanced options. From advanced options, initial phase should be public, and then max per wallet should be 1. Once all of this is done, you need to scroll down and click on deploy to Somnia Testnet. So I'm going to click that, and the next thing I need to do is to confirm with my wallet. Creating edition collection. So the next thing I need to do is to confirm with my wallet and make sure that you have enough STT. The fee is very low, so I'm just going to click on confirm. Creating NFT edition, and my NFT has been created successfully. All right, so confirm transaction. This is confirmed. So right now the next thing you need to do is to copy this. This is the address that will bring people directly to your NFT. All right, this address here, you need to copy it and share it on Twitter. You can decide to share it on Twitter, share it with your friends, but just make sure that you share it with others so that they can come here to mint your NFT. Copy link address. So that is copied now, right? So once it is copied, I can decide to share it on X. I want to show it on Twitter, so I can just come to Twitter here to make a post. I will and then I'll paste my link. Do not forget the hashtag. So I come here and I copy the hashtag, right? Hashtag Somniac Art, and I paste it, then I posted. Okay, so this is my NFT art and I just shared it. Now that all of this is done, the next thing I need to do is come back to Somnia page, and now I can click on check quest to claim the reward. You can see successfully checked quest and my reward is now claimed and it is completed. This is how you complete the task, and the 20-point reward will be sent into your wallet. This particular quest has time limit. It only lasts for the weekend. It's going to be released weekly. Now, one more important thing I want everybody to be doing is to be claiming their Ruby score, because this Ruby score is going to be very important in determining your airdrop reward when Somnia goes live. Make sure you claim your Ruby points. In order for you to get more points, you need to scroll down, and these are some of the things they use to determine this. Now, I have a video already on Ruby score that will help you know how to mint your Ruby score and claim more reward. So every day, make sure that you perform at least one transaction on the Somnia network. Make sure you log in every day and claim at least one transaction on the Somnia network. If there's anything you do not understand about Somnia, ask me in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to touch on, ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. Do not forget to like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this with your friends, and drop a comment letting me know what to think about Somnia. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.